Last year, I attended the Canton Fair in Guangzhou, China. And since then, so many people have been asking me, how did you go? Is it only for big companies? Can anyone in Africa attend? So in this video, I want to explain exactly how I got there, what you need to go there, and how you can attend. Hi, my name is Sanji. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this channel, I talk about e-commerce business. I talk about profitable e-commerce products, and I give you tips and strategy that you can use to build a successful e-commerce business. So if this topic is something that interests you, I will encourage you to subscribe to my channel and push the notification button so that you don't miss any video when I post them. So let's talk about the Canton Fair. So what is the Canton Fair? The Canton Fair is the China Import and Export Fair. It is regarded as the largest and most comprehensive fair in the world. It happens twice a year in Guangzhou and is divided in 3 phases. On the first phase, you have everything that is related to lighting, machinery, and electronics. On the second phase, you have everything that is related to toys, furniture, and home decor item. On the third phase, you have everything that is related to fashion, textile, shoe, medical, and beauty. So if you are a business owner selling product online or physical, this is a fair that I will encourage you to attend it if you have money. Because when you attend the Canton Fair, you are going to see so many products that you can include in your product range. And the good thing about attending the Canton Fair is that it is happening in China. And China is one of the countries China is one of the countries that is very, very advanced. They are advanced in everything. They are advanced in the way they do things. They are advanced in the type of product that they use and that they sell to the world. And it's just the country where most of the product in the world are manufactured. So the Canton Fair, it's a very great fair for anyone that is a business owner or anyone that is selling product or anyone that is into sourcing. Like if you help people to find product that they can sell, I think attending the Canton Fair will be very beneficial for you. I personally like it because it is the place where I discover everything, and I also get inspired about how I can scale my e-commerce business. So what do you need to attend the Canton Fair? The first thing that you need to attend the Canton Fair is to register on the Canton Fair website. I am going to put the link in the description of this video so that if you want to register, you can just click to the link and register. So the first thing that you need is to register on the Canton Fair website. And for you to register on the Canton Fair website, you need to have a business. Even if it is a very small business, they don't care. They don't look at the size of your business. They just want to know whether you have a business they just want to know or whether you have a formal business that is registered. So for you to register, you will need a business, and obviously a registered business. You are going to need your passport or your IG that you are going to use for the registration. That's everything you need. And obviously you are going to fill in your personal detail, including your business details. After you have registered on the Canton Fair website, and I forgot, you have to register as an overseas buyer. When you go to the website, you are going to see that there are different categories of registration. So make sure you register as an overseas buyer. After you register on the website, the second thing that you need to attend the Canton Fair is a Chinese visa. And you cannot get a Chinese visa if you are not registered on the Canton Fair website. Because when you are registered on the Canton Fair website and your registration is approved, they are going to give you an invitation letter to attend the Canton Fair. And it is that invitation letter that you are going to use to do your Chinese visa application. So these are the two main things that you need to attend the Canton Fair in China. So you have to register on the Canton Fair website, obtain an invitation letter, and then you need a Chinese visa. And your invitation letter is going to facilitate the obtention of your Chinese visa. Something that I think is worth mentioning is that for some African country, having an invitation letter is not enough to get a Chinese visa. It can facilitate, it can make it easy for you to get a Chinese visa, but sometimes for some African country, they can ask you for more document before they can get you the visa. Like for me, for people that are from Cameroon, for example, I'm not sure about other country. I'm from Cameroon. They asked me if I have supplier in China. When I was doing my visa application, they asked me if I have supplier in China. They asked me if my business is already running. They asked me about the bank statement of my business. They asked me the type of business that I do, how I am selling products, and they wanted to see the income, the sales that I am making for my product on my bank statement. But they do that only for some countries. For South African, for example, they don't do that. The moment you have the letter of invitation from the Canton Fair, it's easy for you to get a visa. So if you are in one of these countries where the letter of invitation is not enough, I will recommend you to also have a supplier invitation letter. This is something I can help you with if you don't have any supplier in China yet, because I have so many suppliers. So if you need help, if you need guidance with applying for your Chinese visa, I have put the link to contact me in the video description below. You can set up a meeting with me. There is a link to set up a meeting with me. Then I'm going to guide you through the process and help you to get your Chinese visa if you really want to attend the Canton Fair. Before going to the Canton Fair, you need to prepare. And in this section, I just want to give you some idea on how you need to prepare to attend the Canton Fair. The first thing is that you will need your badge, your buyer badge. And this is something that you will get when you register on the Canton Fair website. You will see it there before you even get your invitation letter. They will make you apply for your buyer badge, but it's not something you have to worry about during the registration process, because when you get to China, outside the airport, you can print your buyer badge. You can also print your buyer badge at the fair on the first day. So if you arrive early, you can print your buyer badge. It's something I do not recommend because the queue is so long. There are also some hotels that help people to print their buyer badge. So it's up to you. You can get your buyer badge where you want. One thing you must have with you is your business card. For me, I usually go with my digital business card because I don't like to carry physical business card. It's just making you to have extra weight for nothing. Remember, you are going to China. You don't want any extra weight because you will be buying things like crazy. So for me, I go with my digital business card, but you can go with your physical business card. Nothing wrong with that. It's just my preference. You need to go with your business card because remember, it is a fair. You will be seeing millions of suppliers. You will be exchanging contacts everywhere you go. And you will also be receiving contact from the suppliers. So you need your business card. This is the first thing you have to go with. The second thing I recommend to go with is to get like a notebook like this. I recommend everyone to go with a notebook like this because this notebook will help you to record the conversation that you are having with your supplier. And also, when you have a notebook like this, when you record the conversation, you can staple the supplier information on the page where you have written the note. So it's very important to carry a notebook with you. Yes, at the fair, you can have notebooks. Supplier can give you notebooks from, you know, from the freebies that they are offering to people. They can give you notebook. They can even give you pen and staple. But I recommend that you carry yours just in case, because things are changing. Last year, we had a lot of notebook, but I'm not sure if this year we are going to have, because everything is going digital. But I will advise you to carry the notebook. So after you have carried the notebook, you need to know what product you are looking for. Because like I mentioned to you, there are so many suppliers. So if you are not organized, if you don't know it in advance, the specific product you are interested in, you will end up being disorganized. Yes, if you don't have a product and you are just going for curiosity, it's okay. But if you are looking for a specific product, you need to plan ahead, because it will also help you to know which phase you are going to attend the most. As I told you, there are 3 phases. And if you know exactly what product you are looking for, you will prepare yourself for that phase. For me, for example, this year I am going again. And this year I am only going to do phase 1. I'm doing phase 1 because I didn't do phase 1 last year. And I also don't have enough time this year to do the whole fair. So this year I am only attending phase 1 of the Canton Fair. So this is the third thing that you need to prepare. The thing that you need is to find a comfortable shoe. Find a comfortable shoe, because you will be walking a lot. The fair is so huge. It's just too huge. There are so many booths, and you will be walking from one booth to another. I think the Canton Fair is a great workout exercise on his own. Last year when I attended the fair, every day before I left the fair, I was passing close to 20,000 steps. So you need a very, very comfortable shoe. There are also suitcases that got rollers at the bottom that people are using just to go through the fair, because people get tired. So these are the things you need to attend the fair. And obviously you need to prepare questions that you are going to ask your suppliers, like what is the minimum order quantity, maybe questions about the quality of the products, the material of the products, the delivery options, you know, just all this sourcing product. I'm going to make a separate video where I tell you the question that you must ask your suppliers when you attend the Canton Fair. I think I have provided you all the information you need to attend the Canton Fair. If you are really serious about going to China this year to attend the Canton Fair, you can contact me in the link below. I have included the link, my contact link. I have included my contact link in the description below. You can contact me and you can ask me any question you have about attending the Canton Fair. And if you are not attending but you are looking for a specific product, you may want me to help you source a specific product from China, you can contact me on the same link. From that link, you can also book a meeting with me so that we can discuss your sourcing needs. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.